So we're going to look at the OHAYO Audio Air Conducting Audio Max Tech Pack Base FreeRun Bluetooth 6.0 AI noise reduction ultralight 19 grams only hi-fi surround 2 hours of charging time DC 5 to 1 amp connecting distance 10 meters battery capacity 105 milliamp and frequency response is 20 Hertz by 20 kilohertz. That's the charging port, USB-A to this pin one. User manual and the headphones themselves. Seems like we get another charging the same. So yeah, this is how they look like. On the inside button, and on this side you have that. Speakers, power button. This is how they look like in your ear. Let's just turn them on. Power on, and it goes to pairing mode. So let me connect them and test them. Hey guys, so this is how you place them in a comfortable position, and they are very comfortable. Then how to use power button, indicator light, that's a bit bright, so you can turn it on and off from there. Then on this other side it has a function button, and that does a lot of things. Like if you press them once, is increasing the volume, twice decreasing the volume, 3 times is enabling some sort of like a spatial sound, 4 times it's changing the sound mode from music, game, etc. See if it shows anything in here. So yeah, these are the functions. Answer, hang up, does a lot of things. So yeah guys, my thoughts are very positive. I think they sound really well, and that's why you get them for. You're not going to get them to have necessarily calls. Yeah, I mean, calls will be fine. It's not going to be like maybe the best. It does have AI noise reduction, so I'm not sure. I might do call quality as well. Let's actually try something. So okay guys, now I'm recording using the microphone on the headphones, and I'm gonna open the window. Hopefully we get some noise from outside when cars are passing by. But yeah, let me know how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good, so you can use them for calls as well.